Costs can be classified as expired or unexpired costs. Expired costs really refer to the portion of an asset's value consumed during a period. So we no longer have a benefit in future periods for that expired cost. It is going to show up on our income statement as an expense. So expired costs is something that we used up during the period. We received some sort of benefit during the period, but we no longer are going to receive anything in the future. So we're going to eliminate that amount. It's going to show up as an expense on the income statement and then roll over into our retained earnings the next period. For an unexpired cost, that is something that's going to provide benefit for us in future periods. So we want to make sure to keep that balance and roll that over to the next period. So that is going to show up on the balance sheet as an asset. So an unexpired cost is the portion of the asset's value that is going to have some value in the future. It is not consumed during the period. It's going to be consumed in a future period.